Sir, let me start by mentioning a few words in my own language about the Brahmaputra from the bird of Assam, the renowned Assam Gaurav Bharat Ratna, late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Luitor Bolia Ban, Toy Koloinu Tapoli Meliso. Hir Hode Kal Rup Doriloi, Kakno Barabare Kediso. Luitor Buku Henu Bam Hoigol, Gobirata Henu Kisu Puhu Ahol, Bantoy, He Henu Olia Bolia Hoi, Dui Pare Upusi Poriso, Bantoy Tigil Nigilabi, Ahare Kotia Nutuabi, Hihubot Bhavna Napatibi, Goror Salote Hogunok Buhuai, Moran or Hobah Napatibi. Panir Parote Janam Tuma Amar, Pani Pitri Hokti Amar, He Hokti Banok Rudim, Hosro Hatare Dupar Banhim, Ture Hokti Karikariani, Tuke Amar Bittokorim. Sir, Bhupen Hazarika often addressed the Brahmaputra River as the Luit, as most of us in Assam do. Sir, last, I urge this House to strongly recommend that the government take immediate action to safeguard the land, livelihood, and people of Assam by allocating appropriate budget for flood and erosion management before this crisis worsens further.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰ